Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you saw in the last one, we got the Starlight headliner done. Looks super sweet. Today I'm going to be working on trying to get some of the carpet and stuff like in the rear done. For some reason, the piece that goes right back here in the very back here, for some reason I cannot find that piece like sold anywhere in black. They have like the OEM, like the gray, but having the black carpet like I have here, I'm gonna want it to match. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to use like the vinyl and fabric paint and actually paint it black. Saw a lot of good stuff on this, the Duplicolor paint. So we're gonna try and roll with that and see how it ends up turning out. I'm probably just gonna do a couple really light coats, and I think I'm gonna try and like change the direction and stuff. So if I spray horizontally one time, then I'm probably gonna want to do it vertically the other, so that way it gets into all the fibers nice and even. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead. I got them already out here. They're vacuumed off, cleaned, everything. And we're just gonna go ahead and hit them with the paint and see how much of a difference it makes. We'll see if this is a cheap way to paint your carpets to make them match, or you know, if you want to change a color, I guess change a color. So let's get into it. All right, so like I said, we're gonna go ahead and use the fabric paint. What I'm gonna do is try and spray, you know, like this way to start, try and go the whole way. And then the next coat, I'll probably try and do the opposite, like this. So that way it gets into all the fibers. And then same, obviously, for the piece over here as well. But hopefully doing that, it should evenly coat everything. And then we'll see how it ends up in the end. Because right now, like I said, it's like, honestly, even this is a different gray than that. So, I mean, hopefully everything ends up actually matching by the end of this. But let's go ahead, spray it, see how everything looks whenever it's done. All right, so it's been about probably 10 minutes or so, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with a second coat. And like I said, I'm gonna go the opposite direction, so let's do it. So I went ahead and finished all the coats. Right now it's looking pretty good. It's definitely got a nice black color. I'll give it a couple minutes and then it should be dry to the touch, and I'll probably brush it. I did have to get another can, but it was because I had this one. It was really about like half full. I didn't know if it would get it done or not. I just ran out and just used a little bit of this one. So in reality, if you have the same kind of car as me, it'd probably take like one can to do just these pieces here. So not sure what that would equivalent to on a like a whole car's carpet. You probably need like 2 or 3 if I had to guess. But overall it looks pretty good. Actually, I'm kind of impressed. So it's better than really what I thought it would be. So that's I guess a good thing. And after all this dries up and whatever, then I'm gonna get to getting some other things done on the interior. So we'll see what else we have in store. I went ahead and started throwing in a couple of the interior pieces. I also showed that in the last video. I might do a couple more, but for now, I really just got to get some of like the roll bar done and put in. My grandfather is actually the one that's going to be doing that. He's done roll bars for years, and he's very good at it, very efficient, and like gets it done in no time. So I'm pretty impressed, but we will see what he can do on the roll bar in there. I think it's going to turn out really nice. So let's get to that. Okay, so my grandfather came by and we started to put in a little bit more of the roll bar. So right now we have it just held in by the little Cleco tabs. So there it is in the car. It'll have to get a little bit of paint. I think I'm gonna do like a satin black. And then there you got your rear bars and all the plates. And I mean, it's in there pretty stiff. It moves the whole car. So it's definitely gonna stiffen up the car. Here's a better little view at the back. So whole lot of updates coming to this thing. Okay, I have been trying to get this car done, and like I have been absolutely hammering down to at least get the car in a state that it's drivable again for my younger brother to take it to his senior prom. So I got a lot done in here. So my grandfather came over, he helped and welded up the cage and everything. I went ahead and painted it and got all that done. The seats were an absolute pain. Temporarily, we had to mount them to the factory brackets just so I can put seats in the car because I got rid of the old ones. So we were able to take the factory brackets and just kind of make them work. So they're in there for now, and I really do love the seats. I mean, I think they look great. I had to put on the old door panels for now, but they have all the nice new carbon fiber trim and everything in there. So the door panels don't really fit the rest of the car right now. Of course, steering wheel in. For some reason, I've lost power to these gauges. I got to figure something out for that. I also lost power to the heater for the nitrous. I don't know. I'll get to that at another time. But for now, everything looks really good. There are the lights on, got your footwell lighting, got the starry ceiling. So I mean, it is a really cool interior that I did here, but it's like I said, right now it's not even 100%, it's just temporary. The bar was painted in a satin black. Right now I don't have the harnesses yet, so I'm just going to use the factory seat belts for right this second. Again, just to drive the car. Super dusty right now. Thank you for my friends giving me some awesome messages. Of course, I gotta go take this thing through a wash and should be pretty much ready to go. But of course, it's gonna rain, so not really able to do much right this second. I pretty much just gotta wait until tomorrow and then get back to it. But right now, I'm not gonna go take it through a car wash in the rain because by the time I bring it up my gravel driveway, it's gonna be so muddy it wouldn't even have been worth taking it. But I'm excited to see what he thinks. I'll probably have another video of getting him, you know, actually in it and, you know, going to prom and everything. I do want to get a video of that. So we'll see how it all plays out. Thank you guys again for watching and just keeping up with all the craziness. And there's a sneak peek of the doors just so you know they will look better. But thank you guys again for watching. I appreciate it. We'll have another video up soon, so everybody stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.